Air pollution is this area's #1 problem. That's what a Chamber of Commerce study tells us about the way the Denver area people feel. Environmental specialist Steve Anderson says the state is counting on that concern to make the Better Air campaign a success.
Chances are you've already heard quite a bit about the Better Air campaign. You've heard that you're being asked to leave your car at home once a week, as well as on days when pollution is especially bad. The reason for all the fuss is carbon monoxide. At high enough levels often reached in the wintertime, it aggravates a number of health problems.
Obviously, the problems are those who have lung disease, and the ones who feel it most of all are the ones who have very severe lung disease. The circulating blood will have more carbon monoxide and less oxygen, and you're deprived of having oxygen already to start with. It makes it a very serious problem for you.
In addition, healthy people, those traveling in heavy traffic, and joggers will be affected. Even at low levels, your vision and alertness may be impaired. Those hazy conditions we so often see, what we call the brown cloud, probably won't be affected. That's because the Better Air campaign is aimed at reducing carbon monoxide, the unhealthful part of our air pollution that's caused almost entirely by automobiles. Denver is second only to Los Angeles in the ratio of cars to people. There are over 1,300,000 autos in use here. And because of our high altitude, cars burn dirtier here. Yet with all these problems, there has been improvement. This graph shows the number of days each winter carbon monoxide has exceeded federal health-based standards. From a peak of 101 days in 1978-79, the number of days decreased until the winter of 81-82. Since then, the number of days has stayed pretty much the same. And by 1987, we have to be down to no more than 1 day per year above those federal standards. That's where the Better Air campaign comes in. It's never been tried anywhere before, but state planners are hoping people will voluntarily leave their cars at home 1 day a week for the next 8 weeks.
We're just on the border of success with carbon monoxide, but we've got to get a few more 100 tons of carbon monoxide per day out of the air to get below the federal health standard.
That's something that you have to take up with the legislature.
Good morning, Better Air campaign. May I help you?
The campaign has established a center downtown to handle questions about the program. People with questions can call 860-1300 weekdays between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Steve Anderson, Environmental Specialist, News Center 4.